Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online classes Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the third chapter, that is playing with numbers. In previous video already we have learned that factors of the numbers, factors and multiples of the numbers already we have studied in the previous video. But today we are going to discuss about the types of numbers. There are different types of numbers are there. Today we are going to learn. Okay, so let us start that one first number is even number, second one is odd number, third one is prime number, fourth one is composite number, and fifth one is twin prime numbers. We will study in these five types of numbers in this chapter also, and today we are going to discuss about this. Okay, so let us start first. What is the even number? Friends, already I have written the types of numbers we are going to study today: even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, or twin prime number. Okay, so what are the different types of number? You have very important. This is in your life. In future also it is very important and useful. So you have to identify and you have to remember also this definition also, and what is this number also you have to realize. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss that what is the even number. Okay students, so here you should see, students, I am writing here 28. Okay, so one number it is, one is one natural number also you can say, it is one whole number also you can say, but one special, what is the number? This is even number, or it is a prime number, or it is a odd number, or it is a composite number. What type of number this is? Okay, so first of all we have to check whether it is even number or not. So even number, how can we find out? Now if this number is divisible by 2, that means if you divide with the 2, then if remainder will become 0, that means it is divisible. Then we can say that number is even number. Are you clear friends? So once you see, if we have to, first of all we have to divide this. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2. Okay, now 0 it will carry 8, we brought here 8, 2 4 ja 8, remainder how much means 0, that means it is divisible. Hence 28 is a even number, is an even number. 28 is an even number. Okay friends, so suppose I will say 6 is even number, 6 is an even number or not? So 6 is an even number. Why? Because 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. So 3 is answer. So if there is no remainder, whenever we are dividing by 2, if there is no remainder, then we can say it is divisible. So if it is divisible by 2 only, then we can say it is an even number. Are you clear friends? So start that now definitions with that. So here I have students, the definition I have written that the number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even number. Okay, the number which is exactly divisible by 2, that means whenever that number we are dividing with 2, then the remainder 0, then at that time we have to say it is divisible. If it is divisible by 2, then that number is called as a what? That number is called as a even number. Okay, so what is that? 0 is an even number. Why? My students, 0 if you divided with 2, 2 0 is 0. Okay, so 0 is an even number. Next 2, suppose 2 divided by 2, 2 1 is 2, remainder 0. So 2 is an even number. 4 divided by 2, 2 2 is 4. So 4 is also even number. Same like 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, like that. All are the even number. Which one? We are dividing with the 2. Okay. So let us start now. What is the odd number? So same things. Whenever we are dividing with 2, if it is divisible, then it is even number. If not divisible, then remainder is there. Then we have to say it is odd number. Okay students? That means suppose we will say 3. 3 is one number. Which kind of a number this is? Whether it is even number or it is a odd number. So any number we have to choose. Either it is even or it is odd. So any one of these compulsory. So whether it is, if it is not even, then compulsory it is odd. How can we find out? Now we have to divide by 2. 2 if it is divisible, then it is even. If not divisible, then it is odd. So 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1. So if remainder coming, then this is odd. Are you clear? So 3 is an odd. Okay, so odd number. So similarly 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So one by one, if you will see the numbers, compulsory will get an odd number. Are you clear, friends? So how many numbers are there? In that you have to choose any number. Either it is odd number will get, or it is an even number also will get. If it is divisible by 2, then it is even number. If it is not divisible by 2, then it is odd number. So very important these two things, students. So if your number system, if you write, suppose whole number if you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. So on, if you go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, up to 20 I have written, suppose. So you choose it. Which one is even number, which one is odd number. You write in your notebook up to 100, and which one is even number, round cube. Are you clear? Which one is even number, you round cube, and you can see what are the numbers, how it is measured. See. So students, first one 0 is divisible. So this is. See, observe the students. These are the even numbers. I rounded kept. This, how many rounded I have kept? These are the even numbers, and those are I did not keep anything. That is called as a odd numbers, because these numbers are not divisible by 2. This rounded number, whatever I have kept the rounded, this like this is there. So rounded number is even number. Are you clear? Can you distinguish about that even number and odd number? The number which is divisible by 2, that is called as a even number. That number which are not divisible, exactly not divisible by 2, that is called as a odd number. Okay, students? So compulsory that number made is even number, otherwise it will be odd number. Okay, even or odd anyway. So now we will go discuss about that very important number system number, that is prime number. Students, what are the prime numbers? Prime number made is even number or odd number. How can we say? Suppose it is almost all that odd number only, but except 2. Except 2 is even number, but except 2, other all the prime numbers are odd numbers. All the prime numbers are odd number except 2. But how we should find out 2? All the odd numbers are not prime numbers. All odd numbers are not prime numbers, but all prime numbers are odd number except 2. 2 is not odd number, it is even number, but prime number also. But except 2, other all prime numbers are odd numbers. Remember, students, one thing. Second thing, first of all, you have to get idea. What are the prime numbers? What are the definitions? Students, first of all, you check factors. I will say that, students, first factors you can find out. If you are perfect to find out the factors, then easy to understand about the prime numbers. So first of all, students, 1. 1 is a special number, 1 only. 2, having 1 and 2 factors. 3, 1 and 3. 4, 1, 2 and 4. 5, 1 and 5. 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. 7, 1 and 7. 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. 9, 1, 3, 9. 10, 1, 5, 10. Sorry, 2 here is there. 2, 5, 10. Just at least these 10 numbers I have written. You have to choose. Already factors I have written. You choose according to definitions. Which one is a prime number? Which one is composite number? Which one is not prime number? So, students, observe here. Which one having only 2 factors? The numbers which one having only 2 factors, that number is called, or that numbers are called prime number. That number is called a prime number. You check it. Which one only having 2 factors? 2 factors number is called prime number. Check 1. No, this is not. This is yes because two factors. 3 yes. 1 2 3 factors no. 1 5 yes. Here 4 factors no. 7 1 2 yes. Here 4 factors no. Here 3 factors no. 10 no. Are you clear, friends? So from 1 to 10 we found that only 4 prime numbers are there. What are they? One is 2, second one is 3, 5 and 7. Are you clear, friends? So these are called just prime numbers. Prime numbers between 1 to 10, only 1 to 10. It will go to more than 10 to 100 like that level, we will increase the prime numbers. But the methods, what you have to do? You have to find out the factors. And if there are only two factors, that one and that number, one and itself means 1 and 2. Here see 1 and 3, here 1 and 5, 1 and 7. So if the numbers having only two factors, that number is called a prime number. Are you clear, students? So you should find out to 1 to 100. What are the prime factors? Prime numbers you should select and you choose at least 1 to 50 you should do. 1 to 50. How many prime factors are there? What are they? Okay. So now students you should select the right of the definitions. The numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 23. So observe friends, these all are odd numbers. Did you see? All are the odd numbers except 2. 2 is one even and prime numbers. And the smallest prime number is 2. It is also smallest prime number. It is also even and prime number. Very interesting that GK question will ask for entrance question. That is very important question also. Dash is called even prime numbers. The even prime number is 2. Are you clear, friends? So we'll see again what is the composite numbers. Okay, friends. So write down what is the composite numbers, friends. Fourth one. Composite numbers. Same like friends, if the numbers having more than two factors, that means 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors, that numbers are called composite numbers. The definition, right? The numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite number. Okay, so example, what are the students? If you check that examples, what you see? 1 only 1 factors, 2 having 2 factors, 3 having 2 factors, 4 having 3 factors. Already I have told 3, 4 having 3 factors. So it is a composite number. First composite number, smallest composite number is 4. 5 not there, 6, yes. 7 is a prime number because 1, 2, only 2 factors, more than 2 factors I have told. So 8, yes 4, so 8. 9 also, 10 also, 12 also, 15 also, dot. These are called the composite numbers. That means having more than 2 factors. Okay, any number. If 15 will say 15. What are the factors? 1, 2 is not equal to 3, 5 is 15, 5, 3 is 15, again 15. So these are 4 factors. So hence it is a composite numbers. Okay, students. So you have to do in home. So this practice you should do, friends. You should find out to write 1 to 100 and find and circle even numbers. Okay. Second, write prime numbers from 1 to 50. So this homework for you friends, you should do in your notebook. If you have any doubt, if you have any confusion, please contact my personal number and call me or send me in WhatsApp group. I will explain to you and explain all the things. Okay friends, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.